been charged under section 499 and 500 of the IPC. And, you know, well, we were actually, I was sitting with our legal team to try and see where has been precedence that somebody who's been convicted under section 500 of the IPC has been given a full term, which is maximum term of 2 years, and we haven't been able to find a precedent in terms of what somebody said, which is defamation in nature. But Supriya Shranet, I want to bring you in on this. The fact is, it's not about Adani, it's not about Nirav Modi, it's not about even the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is about a particular community, and that is what has, you know, the judge has taken cognizance of in what he says and has made a precedent of Rahul Gandhi.
Do you find it strange that the precedence is being made at a time when Mr. Gandhi is cornering this government on Adani? When for the last 2 weeks it is the treasury benches that are not letting parliament function? When for 16 minutes the Lok Sabha proceedings are being muted? When Mr. Gandhi has asked for time twice, they were asking for Mr. Gandhi to speak, he's asking for time twice to speak in the Lok Sabha, he's not being given time, and it takes me back to the press conference, and he did, and he said Indian democracy is at test here. And you know what? Indian democracy is failing that test and failing so dismally at the hand of the Narendra Modi government. I also want to make some points, because this was a long winding answer that the BJP spokesperson made. And the simple point to be made here on factual and legal grounds are very few. The first point is, the procedure was not followed. An election speech spoken at Kolar, Karnataka, and I will play that speech of 26 seconds because he spoke for 30 minutes. He spoke about high prices, he spoke about unemployment, he spoke about income inequality, he spoke about corruption, and in that speech for 26 seconds, he spoke about Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Mehul Choksi. I want to ask Indian Prime Minister and his government, 2019 से 2023 हो गया, 4 साल बीत गए, कहाँ हैं ये सब लोग जो आपकी आंख में धूल झोंक कर भाग गए थे? First things first, no police inquiry into this. The second important point, and I think this is a very important point, this is a private criminal complaint. What is the locus standi of somebody like Purnesh Modi, who's an MLA in the BJP, to file this case? He's not Lalit Modi, he's not Nirav Modi, he's not Narendra Modi. And the third more important thing, Rahul Gandhi asked the question, ye sare chor Modi kyun hai? That's not an assertion of statement. And the last bit, which needs to be said and needs to be said unequivocally. There was time for final round of arguments. Just before that began, the magistrate was changed overnight. Around that time, Purnesh Modi, the complainant, went to the Ahmedabad High Court and asked for proceedings to be stayed in the Surat court. A new magistrate was brought in, and Purnesh Modi mischievously withdrew his application for stay. Does that not open room for mysterious circumstances? I think these are reasons enough, and people of this country should know